Imagine walking into your favorite subway and ordering a submarine bun exactly how you like it. Personalized and customized just for you. Now imagine applying that same psychology to a print-on-demand store, where customers can use cutting-edge AI tools to generate images and print them on any print-on-demand product that platforms like Printify and Printful gives us. So how this sales funnel works? So first, your customer comes into the store and they can upload an image or they can add a text. Then we get that image or text and then we send it to AI image generators like Mid-Journey, Stable Diffusion, and then we get an image and we show it to our customers on the mockup. Real time, just few seconds in, your customers see the result. And then if they don't like it, they can always regenerate. And if they like it, they can choose which product that they want. When they select the product and they pays you, you can use Printful Printify automation from our side. So this is the full automated sales funnel that we are talking about. And if you have any questions, just feel free to contact me and schedule a meeting with me. So Sandra will be there in the chat and she will be assisting.